quote you live by.
Listen to your heart.
What's your dream role?
My dream role,
If you have to ask question to Amir Khan, what will you ask him?
I think I've asked so many questions to Amir Khan, but I would love to ask him that
If you have to ask question to Alia,
how do you manage to, just perform so nicely in whatever you do?
if you have to ask a question to Shraddha Kapoor,
How do you dance so nice? Hi, I'm Pratibha Ranta and you're watching Connect Cine with Faridun. Stay connected.
Pratibha, we'll end this interview with rapid fire with you, please.
Okay.
How can you define Lapata Ladies in a hashtag?
Self-discovery.
If Jaya from Lapata Ladies has to give an advice to Shama from Hira Mandi, what will that be?
Listen to your heart.
A quote you live by.
सक्सेस के पीछे मत भागो. It's from Three Idiots. मेहनत के पीछे भागो, सक्सेस तुम्हारे पीछे खुद आएगी.
Describe a perfect film in a sentence.
I think Queen.
And if you can describe it?
Again, self-discovery, independence, getting to know more about yourself.
What's your dream role?
My dream role, to play a boss lady.
Most memorable fan encounter.
So right now I just went back to Shimla and I think that was the most beautiful feeling जो मैंने अभी तक experience की थी because I know people there and they were like oh Pratibha Ranta. So I think this is very sweet. एक लड़की थी मेरे पास आई and she started having a chat with me and मुझे वो चीज़ अच्छी लगी थी. It was very sweet of her to do that.
Cherished holiday destination that you've not been to yet and would like to go.
I think कहीं mountains पे trekking के लिए. Yeah.
Okay, if you have to ask questions to following people, what will you ask them? If you have to ask question to Amir Khan, what will you ask him?
So, I think I've asked so many questions to Amir Khan, but I would love to ask him that, what are you next making? Maybe that.
If you have to ask question to Alia,
how do you manage to, just perform so nicely in whatever you do? Like whatever character she plays, she aced that. So I think I'm going to ask that.
if you have to ask question to Ravi Kishan, what will you ask him?
रवि सर से आई थिंक रवि सर से मैं ये पूछूंगी कि जब वो सेट पे आए थे ना वो एकदम हमारे फ्रेंड बन गए थे तो आई वुड लव टू आस्क हिम कि इतना एक्सपीरियंस के बाद भी आपने वो कैसे मैनेज किया था दो आई आस्क्ड हिम बट ठीक है आई विल आस्क हिम अगेन
If you have to ask a question to Shraddha Kapoor,
हाउ डू यू डांस सो नाइस शी इज अ वेरी नाइस डांसर
ये या वो, either or, if you have to choose one out of the two options. Dangal या Three Idiots better film?
थ्री इडियट्स
Sarfarosh या Fana better Amir Khan performance?
फना
Fana, okay. Burger या पाव भाजी?
पाव भाजी बर्गर भी चलेगा
Cinema hall या OTT?
सिनेमा
Village life या city life?
विलेज लाइफ
Classical dance या western dance?
वेस्टर्न डांस
Being talkative या being quiet?
बीइंग टॉकेटिव
राजमा चावल या छोले भटूरे?
राजमा चावल बिकॉज आई गिव अ वेरी नाइस एग्जाम्पल ऑल्सो क्योंकि मेरे फार्म्स में हम राजमा खुद उगाते हैं तो इसलिए मेरा राजमा की तरफ ज्यादा प्यार है So, राजमा चावल.
वो मैंने देखा एक्चुअली आपके इंटरव्यूज में मैंने देखा. ओके, एक और भी सवाल है, थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है, लेकिन आपके इंटरव्यू से मुझे पता चला है तो मुझे लगता है कि पूछना चाहिए आपसे मुझको. तैयार है आप? गार्लिक वाली चाय या जिंजर वाली चाय?
Oh no सर आपने मेरा इंटरव्यू बहुत ध्यान से देखा है ओके जिंजर वाली चाय फॉर श्योर
Summer या winters?
समर्स
So Pratibha, lovely talking to you, and congratulations for a wonderful performance. And I can tell you honestly, I've been observing, and I wouldn't say like criticizing movies. I look at myself as an observer for a really long time, and I think it's one of the finest, I think, debut performances that I have seen, and I'm sure that you've got miles to go. And congratulations and all the best wishes, and congratulations to your parents as well.
थैंक यू सर थैंक यू सो मच